How to use the control panel. Screen unlocking. Long press the power button to unlock the screen. Local time setting. Press the clock button and the time will start flashing. Press the clock button again to enter the hour adjustment mode. Use the up-down buttons to set the hour. Press the clock button to enter the minute adjustment mode. Use the up-down buttons to set the minute. Press the clock button one last time to complete the local time setting. Daily timer setting supports 3 timer groups with 2 practical cases. Core operation steps. On the local time display interface, long press the clock button to enter the daily timer mode. At this point, on and hour will flash simultaneously. Start setting the start time hour. Press the clock button and on and minute will flash simultaneously. Set the start time minute, press the clock button, and off will flash. Set the end time hour and minute in sequence following the same steps as to 2-3. All 3 timer groups are set following the above steps. For timer groups that do not need to run, simply set the start time equal to the end time. Case 1. Set only one timer group. Turn on at 8 o'clock, turn off at 12 o'clock. Group 1. Follow the core steps to set the start time to 8 o'clock and end time to 12 o'clock. Groups 2 and 3. Set the start time equal to the end time to disable operation. Case 2. Set 2 timer groups. Group 1. Start time 8 o'clock, end time 12 o'clock. Group 2. Start time 14 o'clock, end time 17 o'clock. Group 3. Set start time equal to end time to disable operation. The small number 2 indicates that the machine is running the second set of timers. Weekly time setting. Press the clock button and the time will start flashing. Long press the clock button again to enter the local weekly time mode. Press the clock button repeatedly until week flashes. Use the up-down buttons to adjust the day of the week. Press the clock button and hour will flash. Adjust the hour using the same method as local time setting. Weekly timer setting. First, enter the local weekly time mode. Long press the clock button. The time will disappear and week will flash. Use the up-down buttons to select the day you want to set the timer for. Example, if small markers 1, 2, 3 appear when Friday is selected, it means the timer program for Friday has already been set. Press the clock button to enter the timer setting for the selected day. First, set the start time and end time for Group 1, following the same steps as the core daily timer operation. Repeat step 3 to complete the timer setting for groups 2 and 3. For groups that do not need to run, set the start time equal to the end time. After all settings are completed, press the power button to save the weekly timer settings.